Are you ready to take your PC gaming to the next level? Look no further than the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060T 16GB. In this video, we'll show you how to equip your PC with this powerful graphics card. First, make sure your PC meets the minimum requirements for the RTX 4060T. This includes a compatible motherboard and power supply. Next, open up your PC case and locate the PCIe slot. Carefully insert the graphics card into the slot and secure it in place. Connect the power cables and close up your PC case. Install the latest drivers from Nvidia's website and you're ready to go. With the RTX 4060T, you'll experience stunning graphics and smooth gameplay like never before. So what are you waiting for? Equip your PC with the Nvidia GeForce RTX 4060T today.